We are making jumbo lump crab cake over Creole style cream corn. We'll start by making the cream corn. Get your pan hot at about 75% heat. Add 2 tablespoons of canola oil and let that get hot for 1 minute. Get 4 sliced bacon strips in the pan. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until it's golden brown delicious. Dice up half an onion and put it into the pan. Now stir for 1 minute. Now dice up half an orange bell pepper and put it into the pan. Cook for 1 minute. Put in 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Cook for another minute. Put in 2 ears of corn. Stir for another minute. Put in 2 tablespoons of parsley. Half a cup of heavy cream. Now stir for another minute. Put in 1 cup of smoked cheddar cheese. How long do we cook it for? Oh yeah, 1 more minute. Then you're gonna put in half a stick of unsalted butter. Then you're gonna stir until the butter melts. Then add in a pinch of salt and a pinch of Creole seasoning. Now set aside the cream corn because next we're working on the jumbo lump crab cake. For the jumbo lump crab cake, grab 1 orange bell pepper and cut it all the way down. Then start rolling it as you cut it. Now take off the top and bottom from the bell pepper. This will be used for the cream corn later. But for now, we're gonna dice it. Now cut the main pepper in half and dice it again. This will be for the crab cake. Now dice 1/4 of a red onion. Put in half a pound of lump crab meat. Add the onions. Add the orange bell pepper. Put in half a cup of mayonnaise. Now zest about half a lemon. Now squeeze in half a lemon. Put in 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. Give it a little mix. Then put in 2 tablespoons of green onions. Mix it up until the consistency looks like this. Remember to wash your hands because for this next part, we're gonna mold the crab cake. First, you're gonna put it in a pan of panko breadcrumbs. Now make it into a ball. Next, we're gonna fry it, so get your pan hot at about 60% heat. Then put in 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Then you're gonna let the oil get hot for 1 minute. Now put in the lump crab cake. Cook for about 45 seconds, then flip. Make sure all the sides are cooked as well. Now give the cream corn a quick reheat. Now it's time to plate. Start by putting the cream corn down first. Then put your lump crab cake down. Garnish with green onions. And it is finished.